I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life now. All my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment.
Hey y'all, welcome. You probably know I moved to Elk Grove, California. Just kidding. I know they don't talk with a country accent, but y'all know I moved, and so I'm now in Northern California in Elk Grove. For those that don't know, it's just near Sacramento. And I'm loving it. I am loving it. But you know what I'm loving more? Is jumping into summer, glowing. So let's talk about you having glowing skin for the summer. I'm talking microdermabrasion. Well, what is microdermabrasion? Here's a little history. In 1989, microdermabrasion was a way to help burn victims with risen skin and to give more visibly smooth texture. It wasn't until 1998 that it then became a spa treatment. Now, how does microdermabrasion work? The microdermabrasion gently and painlessly exfoliates deep into your skin. It will accelerate new skin cell growth, which will promote collagen and elastic growth. Yay, aka happy skin. And the results? It will visibly enhance the skin by diminishing acne scars, fine lines, and overall improving the skin's texture by removing a layer of dead skin. Let's do a little price comparison. So over here you're going to see the differences of what products are on the market, and this product isn't a one size fits all. So find what's best for you, but just stay educated on what your skin needs and what's out there. And let me show you around real quick. Farmland for days. No, really, look. Let's see, I'm only on 59 acres of farmland. Talk about peaceful and grounding and amazing. And an amazing red barn behind me. Loving it. So, microdermabrasion. Are you ready for instant gratification? Yeah, let's go.
Good to be alive right about now.
Darn it. Shoot. 1989. Hey y'all, there's so much farmland. I definitely feel like I'm somewhere where they would talk like that. In farmland, Texas, I don't know.
I finally found my